Okay. So last time we stopped here, right? We are supposed to begin from this LOS 52 point P. Okay. Here. So this is identify the relationship among your bond price, coupon rate, maturity, and YTM. Okay. By the way, what is YTM? Yield to maturity. We need to understand this term first. Okay. So very often I'm going to keep using this term YTM, yield to maturity, almost in every session of fixed income. Okay, so let's understand this yield to maturity. Okay, so yield to maturity means what? Say, for example, there is a bond. Let's say this bond is, um, let's say this is a 4-year bond. Okay, 4-year bond. Coupon is 10 percentage. IY, that means interest per year in the market is 8 percentage. And future value is 1000. So just calculate what is the present. Let's say we don't know. Let's say we don't know the IY. Or find out what is the present value for this bond. Can you find out what is the present value? So N IY, present value, payment, future value. N is what? 4. IY is 8. 100 is the payment. Future value is 1000. What is the present value?
1066.24.
1066.24. Okay, so now yield to maturity means what? If I hold this bond till maturity, okay, if I hold this bond till maturity, see, I'm going to invest 1066.24. I will keep getting 100 because 10% of 1000 is 100, 100, 100, and then 1000. So when I will hold this bond till maturity, I'm going to get uh, I'm going to get uh, 8 percentage. So if I hold this till maturity, overall, how much am I going to earn? 8, whereas the coupon says 10 percentage. So practically, how much am I earning? What do you think? I'm earning 10 percentage or I'm earning 8 percentage?
I'm earning 8%,
8%.
Why do you say 8 percentage? We are getting 10 percentage, right?
but that's the coupon and like
Huh. See how it comes to 8 percentages. That is right what you said. Uh, there are couple of assumptions here. That number one, you are holding the bond till maturity. Number two, you are reinvesting the coupon at the same rate. That means what? At the rate that is 8 percentage, and the interest rate is not changing in the market. Okay, you are reinvesting and the rate is not changing in the market. So in that case, uh, you are earning how much? 8 percentage. Okay, you are holding till maturity is fine. The rate, rate is also not changing. So in that case, you are earning 8 percentage. How? Let's see this now. See, um, let's say first, when you paid 1066.24, you are getting 100. Now what will you do with this 100? You are going to reinvest 100 into, let's say, the interest rate in the market is 8 percentage. So it will come to what? 100. And now how much will it come to? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Just calculate this.
125.9712.
100 into 1 plus 8 percentage raised to 3. How
Yeah.
much? 127 point?
No, 125.9712.
Huh. 9. Okay. Then next again you are going to get this 100, which you will reinvest for 2 years. 100 into 1 plus
116.64.
116.64.
64. Yeah.
This is
This
100
is
into 1 plus 8 percentage.
108.
108. And then you will get 1100. So that means overall all these are your cash flows. Just add up all this now.
Yes. 1450.6112.
1450.6112.
0.6112. Yeah.
So that means I can say that I invested 1066.24 and I am going to get 1450.6112. So I can write this all this cash flow in one go. I invested 1066.24 and I got 1450.6112. Okay, so now just now it is started working. So now CAGR, compounded annual growth rate, is equal to what? If I want to calculate what is the per annum return that I have earned here, so
Will
closing value
be
divided by opening value
raised to 1 by
raised to
4.
1 by 4
4. Yeah.
minus 1. Okay, so 4 1 by n, which is 1 by 4 in this case. So 1450.6112
Next one. So yeah,
1066.
8.0006. Yeah. 8.000006.
It comes to what? 8 point.
40 then 64238. So 8%.
That is 8 percentage. Yeah,
8%. Yeah.
it is 8 percentage, which is here. So if you hold this bond till maturity, and if no interest change happens in the market, then you are going to earn 8 percentage, not 10 percentage. Logic is what? Logic is simple because you are paying more over here. 66 rupees you have paid extra. That will bring the rate down. Okay.
So like in total, we are earning 36%, is it?
In total,
Yeah, if we don't do that 1 by 4 or other thing.
per year you
Please.
are earning 8. 8 into 4.
For
Yes, 8 fours are
32.
32.
So
Yes.
like what I did is like I didn't did take this thing 1 by 4. Like so I got 1.36. So is that right? Like for the entire period.
No, say it again. What did you say now?
So I just divided closing by opening. That's it. So I got 1.36.
No, that is your holding period. Holding period return.
The entire
In holding
return
period return is just closing by opening minus 1. That
minus
becomes
1.
your
So that
holding
is
period return.
36%.
Ah, that is your holding period return. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. This is yield to maturity. Okay. So this 8 percentage, that means if you are a fund manager and when you want to invest that time more than the coupon rate, what is more important for you? The IY.
Reinvestment rate.
Okay,
Yeah.
which is the YTM, that is more important for you. Okay, Okay, now let's understand all this. See, at a point in time, a decrease in your bond's YTM will increase its price. That is, there is an inverse relationship between yield. Yield means what? This one only, YTM only. This is the yield. Okay, 8%. Finally, you are yielding 8% only, no? Finally, you are yielding 8%. That's why it is yield. So, so at a point in time, a decrease in your bonds YTM will increase its price. How is it possible? This is just inverse relationship. You remember we did this in the initial stage of bonds subject itself. That I told you like this, that every year Muthoot is giving you 10 percentage, and then suddenly what happens over here, the interest rate, uh, interest rate goes up 13 percentage, and you want to sell your bond, which is what, 10 percentage. So others, this LNT, when they invest in LNT, they will get how much? 13 percentage. But you are holding Muthoot bond, so you are going to get how? I mean, whoever buys bond from you, they will get only 10 percentage. But somehow you want to sell it off. So how will you sell? You will
We sell at a discount.
discount. So that means when the interest rate went up, bond price came down. Interest rate went up, bond price comes down, and vice versa. Okay, this is the one. Okay, first point is okay. You can do like this. This is conceptually okay. Let's do this mathematically as well. Mathematically, imagine, let's say there is a 10-year bond, and 10-year bond coupon is equal to 10 percentage, IY is equal to 10 percentage. If both are same, then what will be the
E
present value?
CFA
Present value also will be trading at par only.
at par,
Okay,
yeah.
remember this. If coupon and IY are same, if you check also, you will get same. If you want, you check like this now. N is what? 10. IY is 10. Uh, Not 10. It will be 100 for 1000. Okay. No, sorry. IY is 10 only. Payment is 100. Future value is 1000. Calculate the present value. You will get 100. Sorry, you will get 1000. Just check.
Yes, sir. It's 1,000.
Okay. So now then, if the interest rate goes up, now you again calculate. So now IY should be, instead of 10, make it 11, and then find out the present value.
941.1076.
That means when the interest rate went up, see the prices come down
Yeah.
to this extent. Similarly, when the interest rate comes down,
1064.17.
now that means when the interest rate went down, bond price went up. When the interest rate went up, bond price came down. This is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this derives the first point. Then the second one. Other things equal, the price of your bond with a lower coupon rate is more sensitive to a change in yield than is the price of your bond with higher coupon rate. So what does that mean? the price of your bond, okay, with lower coupon. Let me stick to the same example. The price of your bond with lower coupon. Acha, no, I have to give you a new example now. Okay. This is for the second. See how you do, write down this one and write the explanation also, so that you know the takeaway point. You will not get this question in the exam. What you will get is this statements only. But you will not be able to recollect this statement if you don't practice these sums. You have to practice and you have to get the interpretation of the sums. Okay. So that's why write down all these points along with the derivation, so that when you read, you should derive all this. You should create your own sums and then practice like this. Then even if you forget in the exam, you can quickly write like this and you can recollect. Okay. Now second one, other things equal, the price of your bond with lower coupon rate is more sensitive. Okay, so that means one is lower coupon, one is higher coupon. Let's create two examples now. So there is 10-year bond. Coupon is equal to 10 percentage. IY is also 10 percentage, let's say. Future value is 1000, present value is 1000. Now when the interest rate is coming, other things equal, the price of your bond with lower coupon is more sensitive. Okay, so let's say interest rate goes to 11 percentage. So what is the present value? Present value is, we saw here, 941.1076. Now let's take another one. Instead of 5-year, I'll take all same only, 10-year only, 10-year bond. Coupon 10 percentage. IY is, let's say, lower coupon. Okay, so IY is, let's say, 6 percentage. And now interest rate is going up, right, by 1 percentage. So this will become, no, lower coupon, right? Sorry. Coupon, I'm supposed to change.
Here coupon would be higher, right? So 10 is
Coupon,
in that
no,
one.
coupon will be lower. See, higher and lower coupon, that is the question.
Okay.
Higher and lower coupon.
So, but in the left one, the coupon was lower, right? The IY was 11%.
No. We are not comparing IY to coupon. Wait, we are
Okay.
comparing coupon to coupon. We are comparing coupon to coupon. So here, let's say it is 6 percentage. This is the only difference. Rest all are same.
So the
So in the
IY
market, 10
would be same,
percentage.
right? Here also.
In the market, 10 percentage. And here also, interest rate goes up. Now you calculate and tell me. So what will you take the payment as? See, N, IY, present value, payment, future value. So N will be 10. IY is, IY will be 11. No, initially you calculate, initially it is 10. And then present value you have to calculate.
It is
Payment
750.
is 60,000.
Yeah.
Calculate the present value.
754.2173.
754.2173.
2173.
Okay.
And now 11% for me.
Now the same one, it goes to 11. So
So it's 705.5383.
yeah. So when it goes to 11 percentage, when it goes to 11 percentage, what is the present value? What is the present value?
705.5383.
Okay. So now we have to see which bond is more sensitive. See, both the sides interest went up by 1%. Both the sides interest went up by 1%. So which side is more sensitive? See, now here initially it was 1000. It reached to 941. So what is the difference? What is the difference here? What is the difference? Check the
59,
difference.
let's say 59.
59 point.
Something,
Just accurately
90.
tell me. 90.
Okay,
Go to four
I'll
decimal.
accurately once.
Yeah, yeah.
Just I'll give it. It is 58.8924. 8924.
And here, right hand side.
Doing. It is 48.679.
Hmm. Now I don't know, see the base is different. So what I will do is in order to find out which is more sensitive, I will convert this into percentage. So percentage means what? Divided by 1000 into 100. So that comes to 5.88 percentage, correct?
5.88. Yeah.
8894 percentage divided by
Yeah. 6.45.
how much is this coming to?
6.4542%.
So which is more sensitive?
Yeah. The one
This
which has
is
less
right hand
coupon.
side.
The, yeah,
Right
low
hand side.
coupon.
So that means lower coupon is more
Yeah.
sensitive.
So,
So that is the derivation for the second point. Lower coupon is more sensitive to change in yield than the price of the higher coupon bond. And logically also, suppose you don't have time to write and check all these things. Logically, so how to check? Everything is, you have to take same number except coupon. That is the only way. Okay. Now logically, it is like this. You know, you think like this: when inflation is going up, who suffers? Rich people or poor people?
Poor people.
Poor people will suffer, right? Ambani is not going to get worried about that inflation is going up. What do I do? Okay, he will not be worried. Poor people will be worried. So poor, that means it is affecting the poor people more. So poor people are more sensitive to the change in interest rates. Okay, so that is what lower coupon rate is more sensitive. Similarly, lower coupon is more sensitive to change in rates. Fine. Okay, if you want, you can check for interest rate comes down. Okay, let's do that also. So we'll do that as well. Now we have seen for interest rate going up, right? Now we'll see what if the interest rate comes down. So let's say 10-year bond, or you take this one only. Calculate again if the bond price comes down to 9%. What is the present value? Calculate.
1064.1765.
1064.1765.
4.1765.
1064.1765. Okay. Similarly, here also you calculate if the interest rate comes from in here the interest rate goes to 9%. What is the present value in this case?
807.4702.
807.4702.
4702.
Shravan, you are also calculating all this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because if the numbers don't match, you let me know, okay? Or even if you need more time also, you tell me, I will stop, okay? I'll
Okay,
wait.
sir.
Okay? But you have to practice as well. So just don't keep on just, it should not happen that you are just watching and then thinking that, okay, it will be all fine only if I calculate also, I will get this number. You have to literally calculate. Okay.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
calculating.
Yeah. So now what is the change here? Calculate 1000 minus 1064. Okay, so it will be 64.1765 over 1000
Yeah.
into 100. That comes to 6.41765
6.41765%.
percentage. Whereas here, how much is the difference?
53.199.
Based on 754 is the old number, so we'll keep that as the base.
So it is 7.0535.
7.0535.
0535. Yeah. So again,
7.0535. Now you see which one is more sensitive again.
again the right one, like the one
Lower
with
coupon is more
low, with
sensitive.
low.
So
Yeah.
let the interest rate go up or let the interest rate comes down. Lower coupon is lower coupon bond is more
More
sensitive.
price sensitive to change.
Yeah. Okay. The next one, third one. Other things equal, the price of your bond with longer maturity is more sensitive. Longer maturity. Rest all are same. So longer maturity is more sensitive. So here again, let's say 10-year bond. Coupon 10 percentage. Let's say EAY is also 10 percentage so that it is easy to calculate. So I will take present value directly 1000 instead of calculating. Now here the interest rate is changing. Okay. The price of your bond with a longer maturity is more sensitive to change in yield. So interest is changing, longer maturity is more sensitive. Okay. So this is 10-year. Let me take here 5-year bond. Coupon, rest all are same. So coupon is equal to 10 percentage. So only this is the difference. IOI is also 10 percentage. This is future value. Okay. Yeah. So now, acha, this is not. This will be 10 per 1000 only. Okay. This will also 1000. Now interest rate is changing. So let's say it goes to interest rate goes to 11 percentage. Calculate now. What is the present value?
941.1076.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute.
1076.
941.1076. And what is the difference?
58.8923.
Um,
5.8892%.
Now calculate the present value here. It goes to 11%. Okay. What is the present value here?
So it's 963.0410.
See, if you
Uh,
need time, to write, you tell me, okay? Because at time I keep forgetting to give you time to write. So I'm not sure you are writing now simultaneously along with me, or you will write it later. Anyways, I'm recording. I will send all this to you. But please, you should also prepare your notes, okay? Because that really helps. Okay. So that's why if you are preparing now itself immediately, and if you want me to wait also, you tell me, I'll wait. Okay. What is the difference?
36.9589. 9589. 3.6958%. So over there
Okay.
it's more.
So longer maturity is more sensitive. Correct. This is
Yes.
longer maturity, more sensitive. Now at home, or we can even reduce the interest rates and cross check. What if we reduce the interest rates? If we reduce the interest rate 9%, calculate the present value.
1064.1765.
1064 point.
1765.
So what is the difference here?
64 point. Yeah.
64.1765 based on 1000. Because if you practice this very well, even if you forget, you you will for sure get one question from these 5 points, and you don't have to remember anything. You can quickly write like this also, you can understand. And also when you keep practicing, your mind itself will tell you then what will happen. Then maybe at the time of exam, without even remembering, without even uh, writing anything, you will be able to still judge. Okay. Similarly here also. Now calculate this one.
1038.8965. 65.
1038.8965. So the difference is 38.8965
8965. Yeah.
divided by 1000.
Yeah.
3.88965
3.88896. Yeah.
percentage. So again, which is more
Over there it's
sensitive?
more
Longer one.
longer one.
Okay. More sensitive. That is 10-year bond. So this is also done. Third point is over. Fourth point. The percentage decrease in value when the YTM increases by a given amount is smaller. Oh, this we have already done. Okay. See here, at a point in time, a decrease in bonds, YTM increase its price. See here, it was not asking about the percentage. First one, we have already done that. See, first one, Where is that first one? This one. This one. See, this is 64.17. What is this calculate?
$58.892.
That means, see here. So the bond with the higher, when the interest rate is going up, see, at a point in time, a decrease in bonds YTM will increase its price. That means when the interest rate is coming down, price is going up more than 1000. And when the interest rate is going up, price is coming down. That much only is the takeaway point. Okay, that means inverse relationship. Okay, it was not asking about the amount of change. This much is only the point. First one
Can
is
you repeat
speaking.
what you said?
See, first one is only this much, that when the interest rate came down, bond price went up,
Yeah.
and when the interest rate went up, bond price came down. That's it.
Yeah. Mm.
That is the only point. It is not speaking about the percentage change. This is okay. Now, fourth point is just connected to the first point. Here it is extending to the percentage. Now the percentage we have to see, like here, because we want to see the percentage 64.17 based on 1000 into 100, that is equal to 6.417 percentage. And here, how much is the difference? Take the difference.
It was 58 point something. Like I got the percentage 5.88924.
No, but still you
Yeah.
calculate the amount. Yeah, 5.88.
924%.
Then it should be 58.924.
924. Yeah.
Okay, divided by 1000 into 100, you will get 5.88924.
924.
That means, again, when the interest rate is coming down, it is more sensitive.
Yeah.
So when the interest rate is coming down,
It is increasing at a greater
uh,
percentage. The
a
price of the
percentage
bond.
decrease in value when the YTM increases by a given amount is smaller than the increase. See this line, it's very difficult to understand. See how it has been mentioned. The percentage decrease in value. Where is the percentage decreasing? Uh, the percentage decrease in value. When the interest rate is going up, the percentage decrease. This much it will decrease. And when the interest rate is coming down, this much it is increasing. So the percentage decrease in value when the YTM increases by a given amount is smaller. Okay, so minute. The percentage decrease in value when the YTM increases by a given amount is smaller than the increase in value when the YTM decreases by the same amount. The percentage decrease in value when the YTM increases by a given. The percentage decrease is smaller. Okay, that means this is smaller. Smaller. When the interest rate goes up, the percentage by which it is coming down is smaller than the percentage by which it will go up when the interest rate comes down. You are able to understand this statement now, fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anything you want me to repeat here?
No, sir. Fine.
No, sir.
Okay. Acha, there is one point mentioned here. The price yield relationship is convex. What does this mean now? The price yield relationship is convex means if I
So is it related to the convexity bias that we did in derivatives?
convexity bias, correct, that one only. Correct. We will be speaking in detail about that, but right now let me give you some idea. See, this is the price and this is the yield. Okay. Now at this, let's say at 10% yield, price is 1,000 rupees. Okay. That means when the market rate is 10%, bond price is 1,000. Now when the interest rate is going to 11%, assume roughly we will take, let's say price is coming down, bond price comes down to 900. Okay. So ideally when the interest rate is coming down to 9%, bond price should go up to 1100. However, what happens? However, it will not go to 1100. It will go, so this is proportional. It will go beyond 1100. It will go here.
Like
Let's say
that's
it is,
what we studied in the fourth one, right?
correct. That is the point. Fourth one. Let's say it is going to 1150. That means the relationship is convexed. It is convexity. Called it is convexed. It is not linear proportional. It is convexed. So price yield relationship is convex. That means when the interest rate comes down, the jump is higher than otherwise when the interest rate goes up. Okay, this is what it means. Okay, price yield convexity. We will be speaking also a lot about this again later stage. But you got the idea now.
Yes, sir.
This one, constant yield price trajectory. See here, multiple sums has been clubbed together as one sum. So let me just simplify the question. Otherwise, the answer is easy only. See, 3-year bond. Okay, 3-year bond. Coupon is 6% per annum, paid semi-annually. The bond values, okay, now this is the IY 3612. These are all different cases. Okay, so first case is 3% per annum. Future value is 100. What is the present value? Can we calculate the present value? See, this is semi-annual, so uh, payment and then future value. N will be what here?
6.
6.
Yes, good. IY will be
3.
1.5.
yes 1.5 because it is semi-annual. Okay, then present value we have to calculate. Payment will be
30.
30, correct. 6% is 6, not 30, it is 3. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, this is 100, so it is 3.
Okay. 3. Sorry.
Future value is 100. Calculate the present value now.
It's 108.5457.
108.54.
5457.
Yeah, this is here 108.546, which is fine. So constant yield price trajectory means the same sum as the time passes on. That means, let's say after 6 months, then it will become what? It will become a 2.5-year bond, then 2.5-year bond. So in 2.5-year bond, what will be N? N will be 5. Okay, then 3.2, which is 1.5 percentage. Payment 300. Calculate the present value.
107.1739.
107.1739. See, 107.14174. Like this, as the time passes on, now instead of 2.5, let's say 2 years are left out. Then it will become 4. Then 3 by 2. Now what is the present value?
105.7815.
105.7815. So 105.782. Like this, it will keep on going like this. Okay. And then finally it is reaching to 100. So later at home, you can practice all this. Okay. It is reaching to 100. So that means if I put this in a graph, okay, so this is a how many year? 3-year bond, right? And the price is initially 108. That means it is here premium 108.546. And after that, after 1 year, so this is 1 year, 2 year, 1.5. Okay, 1, 2, 3.5, 1.5 to 2.5. So 1.5, the price has come to 107. 107.174. After 1 year, the price comes to 105.782. Then the price comes to 104.368. 104.368. Then it comes to 102.934. 102.934. Then 101. Then 100. So you see, it is coming in this, in this way. You can see here the graph like this. It's coming like this. The price is coming like this. Similarly, now we will change the scenario. Scenario is case 2. Case 2 is YTM is 6%. So here, the moment I change it to 6% for 3 year, what is the present value? It will be 1000 as long as these two are same, 1000 or 100. Okay, for 2.5, what will be the present value? Again, it will be 1000 as long as these two are same, irrespective of whatever be the maturity period, present value will be 100. Okay, if you want, you check. So first is NIY present value, payment future value. So 3 IY is 6, IY is 6. Okay, now it is not 3 anymore, it is 6. What is the present value? Payment is 3. Acha, this is a semi-annual, na? So N will be 6. IY will be 6 by 2. Okay, payment will be 3. Future value 100. Calculate now. You will get 100. Check.
Yeah, it's on there.
100, right? Now, after 6 months, it will be 5.5. Now you calculate again, it will come to 100.
Yes.
Okay, you change this to now 5. It will come to 100. Because as long as coupon and IY are matching, maturity doesn't matter. It will be trading at par only. Okay. Is it coming to 100 again?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, that means what? Initially it is 100 and every time it is 100. Every time period is 100, 100, 100, 100. Okay, now case 3. Case 3 is now instead of 6%, we will take 12%. 12%. So if I take 12%, so let's do here N IY present value, payment future value. So N is how many?
6, right?
6. Yeah. IY is 12, no? So 12 by 2. 12, third case. Present value you have to find out. Calculate the present value.
That is 85.2480.
So 85.24 you are seeing here, 85. So when I say 85, that means it is here, 85.24. Then at this stage what will happen? That means change it to 5.
5.5, right?
5.5, yeah, correct.
And then for the PV, it is 86.29006.
Yeah, 86.29.
6.29.
86, huh? Yeah, it will increase now because it is trading at discount. Then slowly 86 point, 86 point, 86 or 87.
Yeah, so 86.29006,494.
No, it should be 87. No, it's something
So I
is
took N
wrong.
as 5.5, right? That's what
Yeah, yeah. So
N is
for
5.5.
acha,
I will
n
be
point
6.
n is wait. Acha, n is 5. You take n as 5.
Okay.
Not 5.5.
Yeah,
It should be 5 only, na?
5.
Because initially 3 years, then 2.5 years. This will be 6 and this will be 5.
Okay, so 87.36. Yeah.
87.36.
Yes, sir.
87. That is matching here, right? The next one is 4. N is 4. Calculate.
89.6046.
Okay, so like this, you will keep getting this number, okay?
Okay.
So
So
that
we are going
means
from ending to the beginning, right?
this way we are going.
Okay.
It is trading at discount, na, here.
Okay, so yeah.
Okay, so that means if it is trading at premium, it will reach to par. If it is trading at discount, it will reach to par. Okay, that is called what? Constant yield price trajectory. The convergence to the par value at
Like at the
maturity.
end, it will be at par,
Par,
right?
par only. This is called pull to par. It is called constant yield price trajectory. So here it is showing if yield does not change, how the price is moving. Okay, constant yield price trajectory means what? If the yield doesn't move, how will be the price moving? That is this concept, constant yield price trajectory. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Constant yield price trajectory. This term you should remember. Okay. Yeah. Then matrix pricing. Pricing illiquid bond. Okay, this is another segment. Illiquid bond, how will you price? How will you price illiquid bond? Based on the liquid bond. That means you will find out some other similar liquid bond You will extract some quality of the liquid bond, and I mean whatever their price is, proportionately we will calculate our bond which is illiquid. Okay, just go through this question. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. See, it says Rob Phelps CFA is estimating the value of a non-traded 4% annual pay, A plus rated bond that has 3 years remaining until maturity. It has obtained the following yield to maturity on similar corporate bonds. Okay, it's a non-traded 4% A plus rated bond that has 3 years remaining until maturity. So because it is non-tradable one, we are going to see similar traded bonds. Similar is what? A plus. Okay, A plus rated bonds. So, but then this is our bond is 3 years bond, whereas this is 2 year and 5 year bond. So we have to proportionately calculate the YTM. See, now what do we require exactly? See here, we know it is a 3 year bond. So 3. IY we don't know. Present value we don't know. Payment is 4% means 4, and future value is 100. So if in case we get IY, we will get to know the present value also. So in order to know the IY, we will look at the market and find out the IY. So in the market, 2 year YTM is 4.3%, and for 5 year we are getting 2 YTMs. Okay, we will take the average of these two so that we get only one. See, 2 year and 5 year. Okay,
So why did we take these two combinations? Like, this
these two are
combination?
only available in the market. Based on this, I have to calculate for 3 year.
Okay. And
Okay.
the other 5-year one? No.
See, because I have got two YTMs, I will take the
Yeah.
average of these two. So
Okay.
average is what? 5.1
10.4 by
plus 5.3 divided by 2. So I will get 5.2
yeah,
percentage.
5.2.
And for 2 year, it is 4.3 percentage. Now, based on this, proportionately, I should calculate what should be for 3 years. See, between 2 to 5, it increased by 3 years. And so, and here it increased by how much? 0.9 percentage, correct?
Yes.
5.2 minus
Yes.
4.3. So in 3 years, it increased by 0.9 percentage. So each year it will increase by what percentage? Just cross multiply.
0.3.
Each year it is increasing by 0.3 percentage. So that means if it is for 2 year, it is 4.3. Next year, how much will it be? 0.3. It will
Yeah, so
increase. So
4.6.
0.6, 4.6. That's it.
4.9
4.6.
for a 3 year. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. If
Yeah.
it is 4 years, then it would have been 4.9.
9. Yeah.
And then it is reaching to 5.3. But we want for 4.6 percentage. Okay. So now Yeah, so we got it right, 4.6. Now calculate the present value. They are asking what? Present value also they are asking. Calculate now.
PMT is 4, right?
Huh?
PMT is 4.
Yeah, payment is 4.
It's 98.35.
Yeah.
35.
Huh. Okay, this is it.
Yes.
98.35.
Right. Yeah. 3 by 4.
This is okay. Sum is fine. You just take a minute, think about this sum, process that information in your mind. Then we'll move ahead. They have given it like a formula. You don't have to remember all this kind of thing. Just logically you do it is fine. Okay, that's why you practice this instead of going by the formula here.
So can we have a break? I'll have a break. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So when do we come back then?
10-15 minutes.
Okay, so once you are back, you put your message.
Okay. So,
Okay. And then we'll continue for how long? How long can you stay back? 10:30 is okay, or if you
yeah,
can stay back
10:30,
for me,
10:45 works.
10:45. No? Okay, we'll continue till 10:45 then. We'll take a break for 10-15 minutes. Once you are done with the break, you put your message in the group.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay then.
So
Okay.
should I leave, like, or we keep
You
it
you
like
leave
this?
it like that only.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huh. So huh. Mm. Estimating the spread for a new 6-year A-rated bond issue. Just go through this question. Okay. So now 4-year yield is given. 5-year. Acha, this is treasury bond yield. This is corporate bond. 5-year corporate bond yield, and this is 6-year treasury bond yield. Now estimate the required Okay, estimate the required yield spread on a newly issued 6-year A-rated corporate bond. Estimate the required yield spread on a newly issued. Okay, 6-year. That is the point. 6-year. Okay. So in the same way we will do now. So 2, 3, 5 years. Similarly, 4, 5, 6-year. 4-year, 5-year, 6-year. So treasury bond and corporate bond. So treasury bond yield is how much? 4-year treasury bond yield is 1.48. Then 5-year corporate bond. So corporate bond for 5-year is how much? 2.64. Then 6-year US treasury bond 2.15. So 2.15. Are you able to understand this graph now? Okay. Based on this given conditions I have written. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what do we have to find out? 6-year A-rated bond issue. That means corporate bond. So this is what we need to find out. So how do I find out? See, between these, what is the spread? Just take the difference. So there is a gap of 2 years. So in 2 years, this is the difference. What is the difference? 2.15 minus 1.48.
0.67.
0.67.
Okay, so in 2 years, 0.67. That means for 1 year, then how much?
0.335. 0.335.
Okay, so that means it would have gone up by 0.335 plus 0.335. Just calculate it. 1.48 plus 0.335 is how much?
1.815.
1.81.
1.815.
5%. Okay. So how do we get this one now? Okay. 4, 5, 6 year. Huh. Uh, corporate bond. Acha. Now what is the distance here? This difference. So for a 5-year bond, what is the spread between treasury bond and corporate bond? Huh. Got it. What is the difference? Take the difference 2.64 minus 1.815.
0.825.
25.
0.825. Okay. So this is 0.825. So now that is the spread. Apply the same thing here also, 0.825. Just proportionally. So 2.15 plus 0.825.
Would be 2.64 plus 0.825.
2.15 plus 0.825. 2.64 No.
It's
This two you just add up. See, this
it's two
two,
point nine seven five.
2.975. Okay, so that is the yield. 2.975. Yeah. Understood this one. Little bit of practice is required here. Just proportionately, you have to find out some way to connect and
Okay,
then
so
find out.
in the next year, the spread would be the same. That's what we have been
See,
like assuming.
yeah, we are assuming it is the same spread for 5 year as well as for 6 years, which kind of doesn't make much sense here. Okay, but then because proportionately that's how they have done, it's fine. Okay, ideally we will expect the yield to spread to go up for longer year, but then because we are just proportionately doing it, we are not increasing it. Okay, is it fine? Okay, 2.975. Okay, so what you do, you do this as the homework. Okay, and then let me know in case if you face any problem, all this module quiz. Okay, and then see, when you practice all this, after that always read the key concepts also, it is good. Okay, key concepts. Then reading 53. Okay, so here effective annual yield. Okay, effective annual yield means what? Effective annual yield, see, effective annual yield. Say for example, your bank is paying you 10 percentage per annum. You have deposited money. Bank says I will pay you 10 percentage per annum. 10 percentage per annum. Uh, paid semi-annually, let's say. So semi-annually they are paying you. So effectively, how much are you going to get after 1 year? That is the question. It looks like 10 percentage, but let's see. If you have invested 100 rupees, hundred. So in half a year, in half a year, uh, you will get how much? This is 10 percentages per year. In half a year, you will get 5 percentage. So 5 percentage of 100 will come to what? 5 rupees.
Yeah, 105.
And then your own 100. So it comes to 105. Then again, from 0.5 to 1, it will be again growing at the rate of 5 percentage. So take 5 percentage of 105 in your calculator.
There is 5.25.
5.25. So, and your own 105. That means effectively you are getting 110.25. That means 10.25 percentage out
Yeah.
of 100. It is not 10
Right.
percentage. So when the frequency is increasing, you are being paid more when it is compounding. Okay. So it is paid or compounded. Let me write compounded semi-annually. Compounded semi-annually. Is it okay? But then this is 100 rupees. So, and it is only for 1 year. So we could manually calculate it. But what if it is 5,000 rupees? Then how will you calculate? So how will you calculate is, so we need a formula to calculate. See, future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r raised to n. Okay. So 1 plus r raised to n. Future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r raised to n. Now here the question is not about future value or present value. We are just going to tweak this one formula. So 1 plus rate is how much now? Rate is rate is how much? Rate is 10 percentage, but actually it is 5, right? So I'll divide by 2 because it is being compounded semi-annually. Okay, and so this is 5 percentage indirectly, 5 percentage I'm writing here. So 5 percentage again 5 percentage, it is happening 2 times, so raised to 2. Okay, just calculate how much it comes to. Calculate from the ending here. 10 percentage divided by 2 equal to, and then plus 1 equal to, then raised to 2. How much is it coming to?
1.1025.
Yeah. So what it means, it is telling us that 1 will reach to 1.1025. So here I want to minus that 1 because I don't want to know what 1 will reach to. I want to know what 100 will reach to. So I will minus 1. So I will get 0.1025 and I will include 100. I will multiply by 100. So that it becomes 10.25 percentage. This is called effective annual yield or return, any way you can say. In bond we say effective annual yield. Okay, now so let me convert this into a formula. 1 plus nominal rate divided by n means number of periods of compounding raised to n minus 1, then then whole number multiply by 100. Okay,
Yes.
this is the formula. So now see, periodicity means frequency, how many times in a year. Okay, here like in this case 2 times semi-annually. Periodicity is periodicity 4 pays quarterly. So can you try this one? So see, 1 plus 10 percentage they said YTM divided by periodicity is 4 raised to 4 minus 1, and then entirely multiply by 100. Can you try this? See what do you get as.
So it's 10.3813.
10.813
No,
percentage.
3813.
10.38.
10.3813. Yeah. So this is quarterly.
10.38 quarterly. Okay, now there is a shortcut also to do this, so I'll show that shortcut only. So here the shortcut one is what see, you see this one icon V. Okay, this one you want to activate. So I'll click on second, and then I click on this 2. So icon we got activated. Now nominal is what? First we'll do the first one, 10 percentage. 10. Don't put percentage because the system knows that it is percentage. Enter. Okay, then downward arrow. Effective is what we want to calculate. EFF means effective. Then again downward arrow. Compounding per year. So compounding per year, how many times?
2, right?
2 times. Okay, so I'll type 2 here.
Yeah,
2. Enter. Then again
10.2.
downward arrow. Nominal we have already filled up 10 percentage. Downward arrow. Effective. This is what we want to calculate. Click on compute. 10.25 percentage. Okay. Similarly, now what will I do? I want to clear this off. So I do clear work. In fact, I go here again. It is not cleared. So how do I clear this one? If when I'm in particular function, you do second clear work to clear it. Okay. Now you check second icon V. So it is 0. Okay. Now in your system, there is one problem in the calci, that if you click on this downward arrow, you will see here it is working fine. It has come back to C by Y. But in your calculator, what happens, it will remain the same. That means if it was, you changed it to 2, right? Then it will be as 2 only. Only manually you have to change. Just doing second clear work, it doesn't work. Have you understood what I said? If you want, you check in your calci. Second clear work, see, you go to icon V, second icon V, and then you do second clear work. Okay. And then you see in your calci, C by Y will be showing us 2. Is it showing?
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah. So
Yes.
now we have to manually change it. So let's redo this again. Or let's do for the second one, which was quarterly compounding. See. So that is the problem. Okay. So you have to remember that. Otherwise, the sum will be gone. Okay. See. Now 10. Enter. Then downward arrow. Effective we have to calculate. Then C by Y is 4 times. So for you, it would be showing us 2 only. Now you have to manually change it to 4. Enter. Then again, effective, just compute 10.38. But the problem, as I said, now when I do second clear work, all gone. Okay. Second icon V, it is all normal now. But in your calci, it will show as 4 only, C by Y. Just check, even after doing clear work, second clear work.
Yes, it's 4 only.
Yeah. So you have to be careful there if you are using this shortcut. Okay.
This
But you should know
10.3.
this. You should know all this because during exam it will give you confidence at least to cross check and all those. Okay. The next one, adjusting yields for periodicity. Okay, adjusting yields for periodicity. Now adjusting yields, okay, for periodicity. Okay, so you just go through this question. This is like difficult to understand. Once you understand the question, answer is easy, but the question is difficult. Just read this 2 times at least, then I will solve it.
What should be the YTM so that we can compare it to in quarterly pay and in annual pay?
What should be the effective annual yield that we should compare? See,
EAR.
A corporation bond is quoted with the YTM. YTM is the nominal yield on a semi-annual bond basis. What yield should be used to compare? First of all, stick to this one only, first line, and calculate the effective yield. So 1 plus 4 percentage divided by what? This is semi 2 raised to 2 minus 1. Calculate the effective annual yield here. Use both shortcut as well as long cut and cross check and tell me.
4.04.
Percentage. Okay. Then now the question is, what yield should be used to compare it with quarterly pay bond and an annual pay bond? Annual pay, you leave it first. First, we'll focus on quarterly. What yield should be used to compare it with quarterly? That means, what yield means this yield they are asking. What yield should be used to compare with quarterly? So that I get 4.04 percentage. Compare means what? Compare means this way this is what they mean. Compare means both should be equal. Okay, this is what it means. You understood the question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now how to do this? One is in shortcut you can do this very quickly, but we will do both. Okay, so in shortcut, so here we know the effective annual yield. What we want to calculate it is the nominal yield. Second icon, we don't know the nominal yield, but we
Like
know
we'll feed
compounding
in
per year and effective.
4.04 in EEF. Is it?
4.04. 4.04. Enter. Don't put percentage. Downward arrow. C by Y is 4. Compounding per year. Quarterly, correct? It is quarterly.
Yeah. 4.
Then
So
downward arrow.
I know.
Norm will be compute 3.98
3.98.
percentage. So that is the answer. So 3.98 percentage. If you want, shortcut way is just use this number and check. Check whether it is reaching to 4.04.
And if we solve it, we'll first have to take a -1 to that side, right? And then so it would be 1 plus 4.04%.
No. Just you
Which one?
solve this one,
Which one?
then this one. First you solve 3.98 percentage divided
Okay.
by 4, then plus 1, then raise to 4. Then whatever you get, you do -1.
Yeah, 4.039. So 4.4.
So 4.04 percentage. Okay. But otherwise, if you want to properly solve, let's solve that properly also. 1 plus x percentage divided by 4 raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 4.04 percentage. Okay. So 1 plus x percentage divided by 4 raised to 4. I'll shift it 1 plus 4 point. This you don't have to, this will be little lengthy. You don't have to do this lengthy one. This is just so that you don't lose out on your 10th, 12th standard max that you did. For that reason, I'm doing. If you practice, it is good. Okay. You never know where this kind of shuffling will be needed, right? Now you calculate this. So now don't think this is 5.04 percentage. This is 1 and this is 4.04 percentage. So now take your calci and calculate this.
1.0404.
Ah,
Yeah.
1.0404, right? Correct?
Yes.
Then 1 plus x percentage divided by 4. Now 1 plus x percentage divided by 4 is equal to 1.0404 raised to 1 by 4. When I shift there, it becomes 1 by 4. Now can you solve this? 1 by 4 means what? 0.25. So 1.0404 raised to 0.25. How much is it?
That is 1.009950. It's a big number.
1.009.
9950494.
Okay, 494. Then, so x percentage divided by 4 is equal to 1.009950494 minus 1. I'm shifting this one right hand side. So that will be 0.009950494.
Into 4 will get us 0.03980.
Now x percentage is equal to multiply this two. You should get 3.98 percentage. That's it.
Mm.
Okay. Is it okay? Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can, if your algebra is weak, you can practice this way. Okay. Then next one. This one is just your googly to say annual pay bond. Annual pay means what here? The same thing. Annual pay means, so in this case, it's just a googly question. So annual pay means, in this case, 1 plus x percentage divided by annual means 1 raised to 1 equal to 4.04. So that means what should be x percentage? It should be 4.04 only raised to this minus 1. Minus 1 if I do, it will come to 4.04 percentage. Correct? Because it is annual. So this only will come here in x percentage also.
Can you explain this again?
Okay, otherwise you just properly do 1 plus x percentage. They said annual. Is it okay now?
Yes.
It has to be comparable, na? So it will come to
Okay. So we
4.04
can do directly, right?
directly. So it is annual only. Na? See, this is annual. Annual only, and when it is annual frequency, that itself is the effective annual yield. If you want, you again go to that shortcut and then key in effective is 4.04, C by Y is 1, and calculate the nominal yield. You will get the same number, 4.04 only.
But so the 4.04 was the semi-annual one, right?
Huh?
When we saw it
4.04? No, no,
was
no.
the
No,
semi-annual one.
effectively, that means annual. In a year, your investments, is increasing by 4.04 percentage effectively.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then uh, okay, I think fine. We'll stop now. It's all these are different yields, so we can do this tomorrow then. Different yields. Okay, we'll stop now here.
So I wanted to ask one thing, like
Mm.
derivatives.
Mm.
Should I share the image on in the group?
Yeah, you have doubt? Yeah,
Yeah, like only one sum.
yeah, yeah.
So I've shared it. Like this is a P of sorry, put call parity or something.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
So
this is
what they've
from
done
your
here, yeah.
college.
So
Okay.
uh,
Mm.
so here, like the max thing, right? It they've changed it to minimum. So is it because they've done spot price minus strike? Is it because of that, right?
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, this is the question. Okay, this is the question. Now let me read. Put call parity. Now we consider your portfolio of your long call and your short put with identical characteristics under the strike. Z is equal to call put maximum. What did you say? What was your question?
So here, like during a put option, we bet on the downside, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So the left side there's a maximum of zero or K is the strike price here, strike minus spot. So here we are assuming that the spot price is less like lower compared to the strike price. Then only we are making a profit, right?
Yeah.
And on the right side, so since they've done S minus K, that means that the price is more than the strike one. So here they've changed it to minimum. So because we won't execute the this thing, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
correct.
that's why it is minimum. So
Yes.
minimum would be
Hmm.
zero, right?
Huh.
So that's what they're trying to
Yeah,
explain.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. Yeah,
correct.
this is only what I'm to. And can you explain the graph what they've done here?
See, graph for your call option is like this. For a call option, it goes like this. Okay, this is
Yeah.
the strike price.
No.
Let's say 100. This is the premium. The moment you enter, these are the profits. 10, 20, 30, 40 rupees profit. This is minus 10. Imagine you paid 10. The moment you pay 10, it is a loss no, for you. So that's why it is minus. All these are loss. All these
Yeah,
are
this so
profit.
yeah. Yes.
Okay. Uh, so now this is called break even 110. So as the price 120. So this is 10 rupees profit here. It will come
Yeah.
like this. Then 130. And this is
Like so
20
I know this
rupees.
one. Like how did they meet join these both of these lines? That's what
That is okay.
this one
So
too we did like
ha. So this is for call options. Next one is put options. So for put options, uh, uh, okay, long call. short call, then you put this way. Okay, this is long put. Now in this case, in this case, this is actually long call and short put combination. So long call is okay. The short put is not okay. Long call on short put combination. So short put, this is the graph.
And they've said long put, right?
No, short put.
Okay, short put.
See, it is
They've
given in
also made a graph of long put. Yeah, this one.
short put.
The
So long call and then short put is like this. No?
no, the one in the
Long
middle,
call,
the graph which is in the middle. That is of long put, right?
long call, and then that is for long put. Yeah,
Yeah.
long put. But then they're up. They have mentioned short put.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
here
the short
actually
put.
they have done. This is long call, long put, short. So they have what they have done is short put actually. This
Okay.
one. This is short put. You got it? This is short put. Acha, that graph then will not match, right? That middle one. Okay, here there is a confusion. Uh, See here they mention short put and here they
Yeah.
mention long put.
Yeah.
This is actually for short put. Okay, there is some confusion there. Okay,
Let's stop here today, so
yeah,
then we'll do it on some another day.
okay.